Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Levon Aronian and Sharma del Hemant. This is a game from Tradewise Gibraltar tournament played in 2018. Levon Aronian had white pieces and he started with d4. Sharma del Hemant played d5, bishop to f4, knight to f6, e3, e6, knight to f3, bishop to e7, bishop to d3, b6, knight for b to d2, bishop to b7, knight to e5, a6, and Aronian cast at kingside. Knight from b to d7, c3. Aronian is playing the London system. Sharma del Hemant castled at kingside too. Queen to f3, and now knight to e8. What is the purpose of this move? Well, black is intending f6. Perhaps c5 should have been considered. We have knight to e8, and now queen to h3. What is the purpose of this move? Well, there is no special purpose. White simply wants to take on h7. f5. Well, f6 was intended, but this has a tiny downside, and that is queen takes on h7 checkmate. So slight change of plane, f5. Knight from d to f3, knight takes on e5, knight takes knight on e5. Knight to d6, white to move in this position. Levon Aronian played a very interesting move. g4. And now c5. If f takes on g4, then queen takes on h7 checkmate. So we have c5, king to h1, making the room for the rook on g1, bishop to g5, bishop takes on g5, queen takes on g5, g takes on f5, knight takes on f5, and now white plays the obvious, rook to g1 attacking the queen, queen to e7, white to move. What would you do in this position if you had white pieces? Please pause and find the best move for white. Did you pause? What did you find? Levon Aronian sacrificed the rook on g7, check. Queen takes rook. Knight takes on g7 has a tiny downside. Queen takes on h7 checkmate. So we have queen takes on g7. But this move is not perfect neither, because of the obvious move, rook to g1, winning the queen. C takes on d4, rook takes on g7 check, king takes on g7, queen to g4 check, king to h8, bishop takes on f5, d takes on e3, if e takes on f5, queen to d4. D takes on a3, queen to d4, rook takes on f5, knight to f7 check, king to g8, and now white plays the obvious, knight to h6 check, king to f8, knight takes rook, pawn takes knight, f takes on e3, and black resigned. If rook to e8, just for example, then queen to h8 check, and after king to e7, queen takes on h7 check, winning the bishop. And if rook defends the bishop, then the rook is gone. That is why player with the black pieces resigned in this position. This was only one of Levon Aronian's games from Gibraltar's tournament. He defeated Varchila Grav in a playoff to take the first place. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.